welcome back to my channel, and today I have a small haul for you that is fall oriented and it is from Walmart. And now two of the items I think I'm going to use for Christmas, but it's really small. But when I saw these items I thought, oh, I have to let you all know if you haven't seen it in your Walmart yet, because I don't want them to sell out because they're so pretty. So this is in no particular order, so let me just start with the first thing. This really isn't fall or anything, it's just a t-shirt. Everyone always loves my t-shirts and asks me where I get them, and the majority of t-shirts come from Walmart. And I picked this one up. This actually ended up being $5. I don't know if you can see, but it's just a classic Mickey, and I think it is adorable. And I get them in the men's section, and they're usually folded over there. So I wanted to show you that. Now this is definitely fall. Okay, I saw these plates at Walmart and I loved them. They are so pretty. They're like a cream background, and then they have these beautiful fall leaves and then these beautiful pumpkins on them, and this would be a beautiful addition to your fall tablescape. I think they are beautiful, and they are microwave and dishwasher safe, and they were $2 and something a piece, and they had the plates and then they had the small saucers. So I got 4 of these, but I really do love them. They just look so pretty, and I didn't want, these will sell out quickly. So I wanted to go ahead and hop on here with that. And then I didn't get the small little saucers, but what I got were these bowls that go with them. You can see they have the pumpkins and the leaves all the way around it. They are beautiful. I love them. And the sun's coming out just a little bit. And they're pretty deep bowl. I mean, you can get a lot in that. I mean, you can see. So I went ahead and bought 4 of these. But I really do love these. They are so pretty. I don't remember seeing these last year. Maybe they were there and I just missed them, because I think they will sell out very quickly. And they even have mugs to match these. So if you want the mugs, the coffee mugs, they're really pretty. They're about that tall, something like that, but they match that exactly. And then I have 2 more things. Like I said, it's not a big haul. And then I saw this. And this other item that I purchased is in my Walmart, is down is in one aisle, and all this dishware is on the next aisle. But these fall dishes weren't with the regular dishes. But this is beautiful. It has the galvanized all the way around, and then this is glass, and it's really tall. You can see how tall it is, and it's pretty wide. It will be beautiful. I think I'm going to use this for Christmas. I think this was like $9 something. I don't have my receipts, but I know it wasn't any more than $9, okay? And then this last thing, when I saw this, it was over. Look at this lantern. It is a house. It's the Better Homes and Gardens. I think that's what the last thing was. It's a lantern, and it opens up. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine what we can do with this? I'm so excited. And look at the side. Look at the door and the window, and all this is cut out. Look at that. Look at that detail. It's beautiful. But I loved it when I saw it, and then it has this little element that you can, hang it with, carry it, whatever. But I love it, and it is pretty wide too. I mean, look how tall that is. And then it's pretty wide, and then it has a nice slanted roof. And this looks like it's the chimney coming up out. When I saw this, and when I saw that this opened, I was like, okay, done, sold. So if you enjoyed this small fall haul that has a little bit of Christmas tacked onto it, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.